Do you want to pin a WhatsApp channel? If you're searching to pin and add a channel at the top of the list, it's super easy, and I'll walk you through it step by step. But before we get started, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also added some useful tools and apps in the description. Check out after watching this video. To pin a WhatsApp channel. First, open the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see different tabs like Chats, Updates, and Communities. Tap on Updates to open the list of channels you follow. Here, you'll see all the statuses and channels you're following. Under the Channels section, you'll find the channels you follow. Scroll through the list to find the channel you want to pin. Once you've found it, long press on the channel name. A menu will appear at the top of the screen with various options. At the top, find and tap the pin icon. The channel will now appear at the top of your channels list, making it easier to access.